Small Town Tom, a comic strip for folks who love small towns. Episode 12, Train on Time. One thing about living in a small town, things are certain. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Even the train is on time. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Woo-woo! You learn to sleep through it. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Woo-woo! The end. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. But wait, we need your help. Get in touch with your newspaper, ask them to run our comic strip. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Please give them this link. Woo-woo!